Temaribet lamchi Temaribet lanta.
Hello class, welcome to Temaribet. I am your general science instructor. Today we are looking at a very interesting topic, which is atomic theories and the structure of atom. Let's say if we cut a paper in half and if you continue, will you get end or not? We'll just see in this video, and you'll compare with the early theory of matter. Basically, the atomic theory is proposed by two Greek philosophers. One of the famous philosophers is Democritus. So he proposed the discrete theory of matter. According to Democritus, he said that matter is discrete. Or in other terms, discrete means when we cut a piece of material or matter, he believed that it has limits. But the other theory is proposed by Aristotle. According to Aristotle, matter is continuous. And Aristotle thought that matter is infinitely divisible. So according to Aristotle, matter has no limit to divide. So even if we cut a piece of paper, it has no limit. This is their basic difference. So the idea of Aristotle is totally different from the idea of Democritus. When we come to the modern one, the Democritus idea is more acceptable than the Aristotle, because matter has limit to divide. We'll come to that when we see about the structure of atom. According to the Democritus, matter is discrete, which is made out of tiny particles called atoms. So atoms means uncuttable or indivisible. But according to Aristotle, matter is infinitely divisible. That means it has no any limits. So he didn't believe by the theory of atom at all. He rejected the idea of atom. But the Democritus idea is acceptable in modern chemistry as well. So we'll look on the structure of atom, and we'll confirm that the idea of Democritus. Let's see the structure of atom. Atom has basically two main regions. The first one is nucleus, and the second one is orbit or shell. Nucleus found at the center of atom, and it holds the two subatomic particles, proton and neutron. And orbit or shell, it is outer part of the atom that rotates and holds electron around the nucleus. Let's see with diagram. Atom has basically two main regions. Those are nucleus and orbit or shell. Nucleus found at the center of the atom, and orbit or shell, it's found at the outer part of the atom. Let's see with the diagram. The nucleus, as within the definition, it found at the center of the atom, and it contains two subatomic particles. Those are the proton and neutron, and the shell contains electron that revolve around the nucleus. This is how atom looks like according to the modern theories. We have moved from the ancient atomic theories till the modern definition of atom, and as well the structure of atom. So every matter is determined by the nucleus and the orbit. When we investigate the property of matter, we have to look on the nucleus and the orbit or shell. So we can investigate the number of proton and neutron as well as electron by using the structures. Video እንደወደዳችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። Don't forget to share and leave a comment below. በፌስቡክ፣ ቴሌግራም፣ ቲክቶክ እና ዩቲዩብ ፔጃችን ጆይን እያደረጋችሁ በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ባይ ባይ።